Hi guys, I hope you're keeping well. When faced with tough choices, another way to arrive at a decision is to use what is called third-party objectivity. This is when you place yourself in someone else's position and imagine what they would do if they were faced with your choices. This works even better if the third party is a role model you really admire and respect. For example, Michelle Obama, or Oprah Winfrey, or Will Smith, or David Beckham. Ask yourself, what would Michelle do in this situation? What would Oprah, or whoever it is that you admire and look up to, do in this situation? This gives you some perspective and distance from your emotions so that you can assess your options and make the best decision for you. To be continued in my next video. Take care, stay safe, and never stop believing in how awesome you are.